Susan Velasquez, and the news of today are the chemical weapons, chemistry in medicine, chemistry in food, global warming, and the best three possible solutions to solve the problem, the melting of polar ice caps, and a threat to the weather of Mexico. In past news, we informed you that the world is going through a war, and some sources indicate the army is chemical weapons. Let's see how chemistry helps in fight.
Hello, my name is Rosaura, and I'm going to talk about the contribution of chemistry in warfare. Chemistry helps in warfare by studying the toxic properties of chemical substances to the creation of weapons. These weapons use potions that kills, injure, or incapacitate our people or body. These can be liquids, gases, or aerosols. One of the most common of these agents are choking gases and lung irritants. These agents affect the respiratory system, causing the formation of water in the lungs, resulting in death from lack of oxygen. Some examples of these agents are chlorine gas, phosgene, and dysphosgene. The next are the blister agents, or also called vesicants. These are agents that affect eyes, lungs, the skin, causing the formation of large blisters. Some examples of these agents are mustard gas, nitrogen mustard, and leukocytes. The next one are blood agents. These agents affect the body by being absorbed into the blood. Some examples of these are cyanurous chloride, iron sulfide, and arsenic. And for last, there are the nerve agents. There are agents that interfere with the nervous system by disrupting the acetylcholinesterase process. Some examples of these are taurin, sarin, and soman.
Good morning, my name is Susan Velasquez, and today I'm going to talk about chemistry in medicines. As we know, chemistry is a huge part of medicine, and because of this war, many diseases have been developed. Many years ago, doctors used drugs as medicines, like for example antibiotics and painkillers, etc. Nowadays, there exist synthetic medicines that are made by many chemical process and things. Many diseases are because of the gases and weapons in the world, and other because they have their roots in the metabolic level. Almost all medicines are made by chemical process.
I'm going to talk about the contributions of chemistry in the food. Chemistry helps in the development, processing, packing, preservation, and distribution of food. One of its main roles is to provide chemical substances that let us create better pesticides, insecticides, fertilizers, and addition to let us have successful harvest. It also helps in the alimentation of livestock, protecting it from disease. It also helps in the creation of new substances that help us to preserve the food for more time. Additives are chemical substances that add to food and drinks to preserve it for more time. Some kinds of additives are preservatives, antioxidants, emulsifiers, stabilizers, colorants, flavors, and nutritional properties. It is also important that chemistry contributes in the production of the containers that transport the food, because they need to have some chemical elements that allow them to be resistant and protect our food from the external conditions to keep it normal.
Susan, and today I'm going to talk about the global warming. Do you know why the temperature changes every day? Well, this is because of the contamination. Many forests contaminate with toxic gases that affects the ozone layer. Years ago, a scientist discovered a hole in the ozone layer, and this caused that the sun rays got more directly through the earth, and temperature changes. This is the answer of the question I asked at the beginning. In the air, there are many gases that are natural, and they are the ozone, water vapor, also methane and carbon dioxide. But humans have other gases that contaminate, and for example, they can be freon and nitrogen oxide. Now my friend is going to talk about the melting of polar ice caps.
Good morning, my name is Ana Laura and I'm going to give you three possible solutions to the melting of the polar ice cap. The first one is the use of new renewable sources like solar energy, wind energy, hydropower energy, etc. The second one is to freeze the Arctic. Some scientists said that if we all as community contribute to the making of this, it will be a cheap project. And the other one is the giant polar umbrella that is like an umbrella